Hello everyone, how are you all today? I hope all of you are doing fine at home, and we are back again with our English lesson with me, Sir Farhan. And today for our English lesson, we are still under the same topic, which is Unit 2, Let's Play. Okay, Unit 2, Let's Play. And our subtopic is shapes. Okay, our subtopic is shapes. Okay, so before we start, I would like to ask you a question. Okay, do you know what is shapes? Okay, do you know what is shapes? Yes, very good. Shapes, or in Malay we call it as bentuk. Okay, bentuk. Okay, so let's see. Okay, here we are going to learn 5 shapes today. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes. Okay, so are you ready? I am going to introduce to all of you the 5 shapes. So if you are ready, raise your hands and wave at me. Okay, good. So let's see the first shape. Okay, as you can see on the screen, the first shape is circle. Okay, the first shape is circle. So how do we spell circle? C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Circle. Okay, circle, or in Malay we call it as bulat. Okay, can you think of any example of items that are circle in shape? Okay, awak boleh fikir tak apa contoh benda yang berbentuk bulat? Okay, let's see. I have few examples here. The first one is ball. Okay, ball. I think most of you have ball at home. All of you like to play with ball. So, the first example of circle shape is ball. Okay, bola. Okay, the next example is clock. Clock atau jam. Okay, as you can see on the wall, dekat dinding, most of the clocks on the wall are circle in shape. Okay, kebanyakan jam dinding adalah berbentuk bulat. Ada juga bentuk lain. There are clock that is not circle, but most of the clocks are circle in shape. Okay, yeah, so we have 2 examples here. The first one is ball, and the second one is clock. Okay, so the first shape, circle. Bentuk pertama, bentuk bulat. Okay, example, contoh dia ada bola, ball, and clock, jam. Okay, so let's move on to the next shape. Triangle. Okay, triangle. Triangle. How do we spell triangle? Let's see. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Triangle. Or in Malay, we call it as segitiga. Okay, segitiga. Okay, so when you see the shape triangle, what items or what things that come to your mind? Okay, do you have anything in mind? Let's see what I have here. I have the first example is watermelon. Okay, watermelon. Okay, watermelon is round. Okay, round. But when you cut the watermelon, you can make it into triangle shapes, as what you can see in this picture. Okay, these watermelon are triangle in shapes. Okay, so the next example is pizza. Okay, pizza. Pizza in general is round. Pizza secara, okay, when you go to a restaurant and you order pizza, you get the pizza in round shape, but when you cut the pizza, you can get the pizza in a triangle shape. Okay, pizza tu bulat, but when you cut, you can get triangle. So the second shape is triangle. Okay, triangle. Bentuk segi tiga. Okay, can you follow me now? Good. Let's see the third shape. The third shape is square. 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 Okay, how do we spell square? S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Square. Or in Malay, we call it as segi empat sama. Segi empat sama. Why do we call it as segi empat sama? Because all of the sides have equal length. Okay, dia ada panjang yang sama di setiap sisi. Okay, so what are the example items of square? Okay, let's see. Okay, the first one we have dice. Okay, dice. Dadu. Okay, dadu. Yang all of you when you play Jutaria ke, you play what do you call it? Jutaria, millionaire, billionaire, whatever tu kan. You have dice you can play. So that is square shape. The second example is we have window. Okay, window or tingkap. Tingkap. Okay, most of the houses, the windows are square. Okay, kebanyakan rumah tingkapnya berbentuk segi empat sama. Okay, let's go to the next shape. Rectangle. Okay, rectangle. The fourth shape. Rectangle. Rectangle. How do we spell rectangle? Okay, let's see. Spell with me. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Rectangle. Okay, rectangle. Okay, rectangle is different with square. Rectangle berbeza dengan bentuk yang kita belajar nombor 3 tadi, iaitu segi empat sama. Sebab rectangle, the sides, sisi atas dan bawah dia panjang, tepi dia pendek sikit. So the shape is slightly longer than square. Okay, so can you think of any example of things which are rectangle in shape? Can you? Okay, let's see what I have here as the examples. The first one is blackboard. Blackboard or whiteboard. This is what we have in school, in our classroom. Dalam kelas, we have blackboard or whiteboard. So this board is the one that I used to write with chalk or markers, and then you guys can copy whatever I write on the board. Okay, faham? Papan putih atau papan hitam yang kita ada dalam kelas tu. Okay, and then the second example is price tag. Price tag atau tanda harga. So whenever you buy new shirt, okay, new bag or anything, there are price tags attached to the shirt, attached to the bag. Okay, so that price tag, most of them are rectangular shape. Okay, rectangle. Okay, so this is the last shape that we are going to learn. Okay, this is quite long. The name of it is quite long. Okay, listen carefully. Parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram. How do we spell it? Let's see. P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L-O-G-R-A-M. Parallelogram. Okay, P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L-O-G-R-A-M. Parallelogram. Okay. Yes, this shape is a bit hard to pronounce, but you can practice. As what I always say, practice makes perfect. Okay, so those are the 5 shapes that we have learned. So can you name me the 5 shapes? Okay, do you still remember the 5 shapes that we have just learned? Okay, the first one is circle atau bulat. Circle. Okay, circle. Next one is triangle. 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 The third one is square. 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 The fourth one is rectangle. Rectangle, okay, rectangle. And the last one, the longest one is parallelogram. 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 Okay, those are the 5 shapes. Please remember, okay? Now it's activity time. Okay, and the activity that we are going to do today is Tangram. Okay, Tangram. What is Tangram? Okay, I am going to give all of you a piece of paper consisting a square shape. One square shape, okay? Saya akan bagi satu helai kertas yang ada bentuk segi 4 sama, okay, atas kertas tu. And in that square, you can find other shapes, okay? As you can see in the picture, this is square, satu segi 4, and inside the square, dalam square tu ada shape lain. Okay, there are other shapes. There are parallelogram, there are triangle, there are square. Okay, so what do you have to do with all of this? Okay, first, you have to take your color pencils and color each shape with different color. Okay, warnakan setiap bentuk tu dengan warna yang berbeza. Contoh, okay, macam contoh dalam gambar ni, parallelogram ni biru, triangle besar ni merah, and then we have another triangle in green. Each of them has to be in different color. Okay, so once you have done with the coloring, you have to turn it into an object. You have to turn it into an object. Kena potong dan bentukkan dia menjadi sesuatu. Okay, as you can see in this picture, this is actually a jet plane. Okay, from the square, you can turn it into a jet plane. Okay, jet plane. Okay, it's very interesting activity. So, I will attach another video for you all to see if you are still unclear on how to do Tangrams. Okay, so I wish you all the best with the activity. Good luck, do your best, and of course I will choose a few of the best that I will give you e-certificate, and you can submit your work in our Telegram channel. Okay, so see you all again.